Hi guys, it's Jemima from Active Digital, and I'm going to show you a really easy and really useful app today. Basically, whenever you are out and you need to measure something, you're not sure if it's going to fit in your room or the space that you need it to, iPhone has a really good app for you. You're going to swipe across to the side, and in the search bar at the top, you're going to search for the Measure app. As you can see, you're going to select the app, and it's going to take you to this page here. So I'm just using a pillow at the moment just to show you how it works. But what you're going to do is you're going to hover it over the object that you need or the place that you need to measure. And you can see the circle with the dot in the middle. You're going to put it to one corner, select the plus button, and you're going to glide it all the way to the other corner or to wherever you need to measure it to. And you're going to click the plus button again. That's going to hold it, and that's going to tell you how long the object is. For example, this is 63 centimetres long. If you want to get rid of that, you can click clear in the top right hand button, and I'm going to do from the side. So I'm going to do the length way and plus again, and you can see that it's 35 centimetres, so you can hold it there for you. Again, if you want to get rid of this, you can just select clear. I hope that really helps you. Thank you. Bye.